What's up, y'all? It's your girl Drea and I'm back with another video. Okay, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get into the video. As y'all can see by the title, I'm doing a review on some more Airpods from Dhgate, period. Y'all know I have the AirPod Pros on my channel and I have the AirPod 3s on my channel, but this is the AirPod Pro second generation. Okay, so it's like the Pros, but it's like the second generation. I really don't see a difference if you ask me. I heard some people saying before they was released, like I was reading some articles, they was like apparently like the structure of the AirPod itself was supposed to be smaller. Like I think it's really the specs of the AirPods itself that's different. From what I was reading, the specs of the AirPods itself was different, like they louder, you know, woo through whatever. But I will leave the link down below so y'all can shop. But this is the box it came in. Y'all know they always come up in these little boxes, and y'all always say, is they real? Especially on my TikTok, always see, is these real? Is these real? Yes, they real. Yes, they real. And if yours not real, did you shop the link that I have? That's all I can say, because if you check the serial number, y'all know if anything is wrong with an Apple product, you put the serial number in, problem solved. Put that serial number in, check. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, this is how they come. Okay, so let's open it up. And it came with like the little pull tab. I already did the unboxing video, like I recorded the unboxing video for like TikTok. It's not posted on TikTok yet, so don't be going on my TikTok like, Dre, you said it was posted on TikTok. Girl, no I didn't. I said I recorded it for TikTok. I ain't say I posted it yet. Okay, you girls a little backed up, kind. So y'all already know it comes with the little design by California, design in California, whatever. Got the little instruct. Should I actually read this? I mean, I never read this when it comes with none of my Apple products, girl. Let's see, because what it's saying, and I think some of the controls is different. Girl, this is not English. Girl, where's the English at? Hold up, y'all, because I'm looking at Chinese, Japanese, Espanol, and French. Girl, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, so they say, let me finish showing y'all what come in the box. Obviously you get a charger. I keep wondering where I keep getting all these little chargers from, but thank God I got so many, because it's the same charger as my MacBook. You get 3 of the different sizes for the ears. This the size I need, girl. My ear canal is small and my ear is small, so charge it, the ear thing. Okay, this is the new one. And it says designed in California by Apple. This is the only new thing that I see besides like the size of it. Oh, and this at the bottom. My fault. I was showing y'all the 3 box. But this is the AirPod. This is the new ones. The AirPods 2 second generation. And this is the AirPods Pro. Okay? They both got the little button on the bag. Both say made in California, design in California, whatever. Like I said, this is the only difference that I see. This one only has the charge. This is the old one. It only has the charger port, and this is the new one with the charger port, and this at the bottom. I don't know what that's for. And this is how they look. I mean, it is some difference. Y'all can see. Y'all can clearly see the difference. So maybe they did make these a slight bit smaller. Let me see. They're already connected to my phone. I haven't changed the ear thing, so it might not stay in my ear. Okay, y'all, so I'm definitely gonna have to change the ear tabs because they don't stay in my ear at all. Let me get the instructions back, y'all. To play, you just tap it 1 time. To skip to the next song, you press it 1 time. To answer and decline calls, you press it 1 time. And when I say press it 1 time, if you never had the Pros, they have, I hope y'all can see, this right here. It's like the little control panel. And to go back to a song, you press it 3 times. Swipe up or down to adjust the volume. I don't think that's how it was the last time. These have noise cancellation, transparency. It got a whole lot, okay? I don't know what this is for on the side though. This might be, y'all know for like on my camera. Like, y'all know how you put a little string through it, that way you can have it hanging on a keychain. I guess that's what that's for. And I think the battery life of the AirPod Pro 2nd generation, the new ones, I think these are longer. With them being out the case and you playing them, I think they last for 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours if I'm not mistaken. And with them being in a charging case, girl, they last like 40, 72, girl, a lot of hours. It lasts a lot of hours. I said these are an upgrade, but I mean, I'm gonna have to listen to the regular Pros and I'm gonna have to listen to the Pro 2nd generation to see like the difference in sound quality, because when I was reading all the articles, basically there was like sound quality, the sizing, stuff like that. So I just like a whole lot of bass with my stuff. Okay, the 3s have a whole lot of bass. If you're a person that wants an AirPod that have a whole lot of bass, get the 3s. If you want to be basic, get the regular AirPods, girl. Okay, but them 3s, they stay in my ear, but they barely stay in my ear. They don't have like the little, this is how the 3s are made. They don't have that little adjustable thing. But yeah, I have every single AirPod that was ever made at this point. If y'all want the new AirPods, make sure y'all shop the link down below. Like I said, come from Dhgate. I got a strong connection with this seller. Okay, they gonna keep it 100. And I think it priced about, if I remember correctly, it's like $35-$40, maybe $43 at the most. Okay, and obviously it's gonna take about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get to you, depending on how many orders they have, you know, because right now it is holiday time. That's it for this video, y'all. If y'all want to get the new AirPods, make sure y'all shop the link down below. I'm gonna have it clearly labeled AirPod Pro 2nd generation, and I'm gonna also link the AirPod Pros and the AirPod 3s. I'm gonna link all 3 of them down below, that way y'all go pick which one y'all want. Okay, so that's it for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Just because we to 1,000 don't mean I don't want y'all to subscribe. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.
I told y'all I'm that bitch from the south. I knock a nigga socks off. Outside swinging sticks, I ain't talking top off. I been killing features, I'm on everything like hot sauce. So don't